We save the best for last. The Insight section deep dives into everything you're going to want to know. We got 3 sections here: overview, chat, and Q&A and polls. But let's kick things off with that overview screen here. And this is where you're going to find that real-time data, such as average attendees, sentiment, and questions asked. And don't worry, this info is always available to you. Let's go on over to the chat section. This is great because we can analyze what topics are trending and even get a glimpse of who's talking. You have access to all of those conversations taking place, and you're going to see that live chat transcript here. What about those polls? Good question. Let's go over to our last section, Q&A and polls. And here is where you can find all of your polling results. They'll pop up. And if you want, you can even export this info onto a spreadsheet and use it later. And there you have it. You are more than ready to set up your own first event with Jugo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, when it comes to your events, Jugo, as always, got you covered.